Now our next topic is waves. So students, this topic is very important as we need to learn about sound. So you know that sound is something like energy that is producing a disturbance. So it is going to relate it with waves. Okay, so have you seen like this, when we drop anything inside the silent water, so immediately after dropping that thing, certain ripples get started like this. Yeah, these ripples are known as the waves. Like we can say, on the surface of the water we will see the waves are there. And what are these? We like in English word we can say these are ripples, but actually these are kind of waves now. So here we can say that in the same manner, the sound is what? It is the wave. It is a sort of wave that is produced inside the silent air. Okay, so what is wave here? Wave is the disturbance. Yeah, the particles do not move, but the disturbance is carried forward. Particles are at the same position. Likewise, I have told you the particles are at the same position. The only thing is they are transforming, they are vibrating. They will transfer energy from one point to another. So these are taken from here to here when they get vibrate like this. When this get vibrate like this, so the information will reach there. But sort of thing we can say that it is like a wave in the air particles or any kind of particle. Like I have told you, we can hear in solid, liquid and gas, all the three state of matters, these are available for us to get heard. Okay, because all of them are having particles, atoms and molecules. Now one more thing, I think you already know that, but let me tell you once again that here in case of solids, the particles are closely packed, very very closely packed like this. Okay, these are like no gaps at all. But in case of liquid, we are having it get closely packed but not very very closely packed like in the solid. So these are the particles, but somehow they are far from each other. But in gas, they are very 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 far from each other, right? So here in three of these cases, if I am asking you this question, which one is moving, the information will get moved in which state of matter more quickly? Yeah, definitely it will be solid first of all, because here the particles are very very closely packed, so the information quickly get through from one point to other point. Okay, in case of liquid, they are somehow distance apart, so it would take time, but not like in case of gas. So the least one, highest speed of sound is in the solid, then liquid and then gas. And how does it depend on it? Because of the vibration, because of the waves produced. So the waves get produced in the solid part more fast because they are closely packed. In case of liquid, slowly then solid but greater than gas. But in case of gas, it is more and more and more quick. Okay, so what we are taking forward? We are taking the disturbance forward in the forward direction. From the place, from the point, it is get vibrate through all of the direction. Like if you are, so you can say to your mom and dad right now that yeah, I have a lots of energy that even I can vibrate millions of molecules and atoms in a single seconds. Then your parents will ask you how? Then you can say just by speaking anything. Yeah, okay. So this all is about the waves, and the waves are mainly for two types. What are these? Mechanical waves and the electromagnetic waves. Okay, so as I have provided you the examples of mechanical waves, mechanical in previous chapter of work energy, in that chapter also I have told you that what is mechanical work, mechanical energy. So here the mechanical word term come. Okay, so now with the term you get to know that what is it exactly. It is nothing but the waves that get through from one place to another place in just a physical state only. Like these particles, they are in physical state, like they are particles, though we cannot see them with our naked eyes, but they are really exist. Okay, that is why we are able to breathe oxygen. Though, are you able to see oxygen? No, but still it is here, and that is the only reason you are alive right now. So here the mechanical means that the physical state of anything is actually existing. But in case of electromagnetic waves, we do not require any medium to get travel. Okay, so electromagnetic waves are such kind of waves that do not require any medium to flow. Okay, so sound is kind of mechanical wave, and light is a sort of electromagnetic wave which is coming from the sun to the planets. Yeah. And here in between we are not having any kind of medium. It is all vacuum, it is all space there. So you know that in space we are not having any of these states, not even gases are there. Okay, nothing is there. That is why it is all black. That is why we can just see the sunny bright day here on the planet Earth only, because we are having atmosphere. Okay, so but light is coming from sun to the planet continuously. So this gives an indication that electromagnetic wave do not require any medium, and this is the example for it. So we have seen that the mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves, how they differ in each other. So let us see the difference of sound and light also. Okay, why not, we can see that also. Okay, so sound chapter, in sound and the light, you will going to read light part in class 10th. Okay, and this sound part is here in this session. So basically sound is a mechanical wave. It requires medium to travel, and it is a sort of longitudinal wave. And the light, what is it? It is an electromagnetic wave which can even travel into the vacuum, and it is a sort of transverse wave. Okay, these longitudinal wave and transverse wave, those are two different things, and I will tell you the difference between them, okay, later on.